Hey, Plunge Magoo here with you, world-renowned Eagles fan, on day 58 of cold plunges for pre-orders. It is 57 degrees out, beautiful day today, with a water temp of 48. Day 58. I'm not really good with the maths, so maybe I think we've done 58. We may even have 58 to go, so we're right at that middle point of the cold plunges for pre-order. So if you took the over, congratulations. You're moving on to the next round. If you took the under at the beginning of this, I'm sorry to say there'll be a parting prize of a case of rice-a-roni for you out back as you leave the building. Out here late this afternoon because of my Eagles. Fucking, what a fucking game. Splitter won by 3 touchdowns, and, it goes down to the last minute. I have no idea how I've survived this long being a Philadelphia sports fan. Actually, I do know how I've done it. It ain't easy being me. And with that, we'll do the do. Okie dokie, 58 done. Go Birds. And I don't know what I got to do. Probably just finish off with this, right? Might as well end the weekend well. Oh shit, wait a minute, I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Fuck yeah.